Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to reset or change your Yahoo password. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Chrome browser to log in your Yahoo account. So kahit anong browser naman ang gamitin natin sa pag-login ng ating account ay pwede po siya. And next step, so open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then kailangan lang natin mag-sign in sa ating Yahoo account. So dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung sign in. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan lang natin i-enter itong ating Yahoo account password. And i-click lang dito yung next. So once nakapag-login ka na, so ganito yung makikita mo dito. And next step, so dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung Yahoo inbox. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito lang sa upper right side, so makikita mo dito yung ating Yahoo account profile. Okay, nandito siya. And then select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung account info. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa ating account info, so ang next step ay scroll down lang tayo. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung options na change password. Okay, so pangalawa po siya, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung change password. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up agad itong create a new password. Okay, so kailangan mo lang mag-enter dito ng new password mga kaibigan. Ayan, so ganito siya. Alright, so with the combinations of lower and upper case letter, with the combinations of letters and numbers, ganun po yung pag-create ng Yahoo password. Okay, so makikita mo dito na strong, and then click mo lang dito yung continue. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to reset or change your Yahoo account password. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.